How to use ginger as a natural remedy for nausea. 1. Ginger is a medicinal spice which has been used for thousands of years by ancient cultures. 2. Nausea is the feeling of sickness where we feel the need to vomit. This may include bloating or feelings of disgust. 3. Ginger can be used to get rid of nausea for those who suffer with motion sickness in vehicles, seasickness or air sickness. It also works for those with stomach upset, sickness after surgery, morning sickness and chemotherapy nausea. 4. Ginger is available in many different forms and can be purchased fresh, in powdered form, drank as a tea or in capsules. 5. You can purchase soft gel capsules containing ginger to take on long journeys if you feel you may become nauseous. These are very easy to take in a glass of water. It is best to take one capsule an hour before a trip. 6. If you like the taste of ginger, traditional ginger beers were used as a nausea treatment. However, many brands do not have enough ginger in the mixture anymore, so we recommend trying fresh ginger tea. 7. Ginger is an excellent flavouring to add to delicious homemade curries and soups. You can make nutritious meals with spices such as this to trigger a range of health benefits. 8. Ginger has been proven to be more effective than prescription drugs for curing nausea. You can take extra capsules if required, or simply enjoy a cup of ginger tea and half a teaspoon of grated ginger. 9. We have a video discussing the benefits of taking ginger every day, or a ginger and lemon juice for detoxification. Please see our channel for more information. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.